Hey everyone and welcome to the video. In this one I'll be showing you how you can fix this error inside Claude AI showing this response didn't load. So if you're seeing this response, the solution is actually very simple. I used to have this problem yesterday, but now everything is fine. So let's start out by typing something in here in first so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm typing something and I'm getting a response. Now it's fixed. But I used to have a problem yesterday, and here's how I fixed it. And this has to do with the models. As you can see right now I'm running Sonnet 5, which is on the free version, and also I'm using medium difficulty. And also if you're using Sonnet 5 as well in the free version, you want to switch to Sonnet 4.6, and that will solve your problem. Then you can test it out and type again something in the search and see if you're getting a response. But if you're using the Pro version, you should be using Opus 5. And if you want to solve this problem, you want to switch back to Opus 4.6. So if you're using the free one, you can go from Sonnet 5 to Sonnet 4.6. Or if you're using the Pro one, you can go from Opus 5 to Opus 4.6. And that will solve your problem, almost guaranteed. Let me know in the comments how I did. Also leave a like if this helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.